the man who started the Anubhava Mantapa. In fact, a hall for gathering and discussion of spiritual ideas by any member of the society from both the genders, where the ardent devotees of Shiva shared their achievements and spiritual poems in a local language. He questioned the rituals, dualism, and externalization of God and stated the true God and one with himself, a self-born. See, what I'm telling is regarding Anubhava Mantapa. He championed the use of vernacular language, and this is being done by none other than Lord Jagat Joshi Bashveshwara. And these are all the portraits, the 8 portraits have been adorned in this great hall. When we see the 8 portraits, it starts from Jagat Joshi Bashveshwara. And he happened to be one of the famous Vachana leader. And not only that, he introduced several reforms, particularly in annihilation of poverty, the casteism. And he brought out a new form and a new dimension to the Bhakti movement that is called Ishtalinga. And he prayed and he gave the confidence to every sector of the human life that God is with him. And that was a concept being moved and that has been done, especially in Kudala Sangama. He was born and brought up in Kudala Sangama. And he did many achievements, and he was a profound founder of Vedic Vedanta philosophy, especially as Shiva. Then later on, that is how, in order to honor him, the state government, especially, and this great Karnataka Legislative Council is been adorned. And the next photo, we come to Lal Bahadur Shastri. When we talk about Lal Bahadur Shastri, I have 2 instances to tell you. He was the only minister for a period of longer term to serve as a cabinet minister without a portfolio. He used to assist when the Prime Minister, that is Pandit Nehru, for a long time. And not only that, during the fight between the Pakistan as well as India, when the question of stature comes, Jinnah was very tall and he was very short. But for this, Lal Bahadur Shastri said, if I want to see Jinnah, I want to raise my head up. And these are the few instances which I am bringing. Apart from this, when there was a train incident and he resigned, he took a moral responsibility and resigned from the railway minister. But in the very floor of the house, Pandit Nehru appreciated for his moral courage. But here, what I am telling is that these are just a few features of the great leader that always inspire our honorable members. And therefore, this has been hanged. But let me come to the very purpose of hanging these portraits in this Karnataka Legislative Council. Previously, Honorable, then the chairman, Sri D.H. Shankarmurthy Sahab, was serving here in this great hall for more than 40 years. And he has been seeing all around many number of statues in and around Vidhan Saudha. And not only that, he was the first man to introduce Vande Mataram when the house rises. When the house sets, it was Jana Gana Mana. When the house rises, that is the Vande Mataram, inspired every member to see that there is a need to give a prominence for certain other members in this great hall. And thereby all the 8 members, 8 photos, which have been in a new technology, these portraits have been hanged. And that is a secret behind how this portrait came. And during the 2013, when then the Chief Minister, Shri Siddaramaiah ji, inaugurated these photos. Well, the main inspiration, the man who stilled it, is the previous chairman, Shri D.H. Shankarmurthy Sahab. Well, coming to the next one is Nalvadi Krishnaraj Wadiyar. When we talk about Nalvadi Krishnaraj Wadiyar, I have to gather some information to you. And this was said that Mysore is the best administered state in the world. And see that? I'm not telling it. It was been told by Lord Sankey when he was sent to the international conference, that is a roundtable conference in London. And that is the credibility of Nalvadi Krishnaraj Wadiyar. And he is the man who founded this great hall in 1904 or 1900. Yes, he is the man who founded this great hall, particularly in 1907. And this was served particularly to give a lot of inputs from the non-government officials, from the retired officials. And way back in the Karnataka Mysore Representative Assembly, there was a great debate to see that we need a separate hall or a legislative hall or a separate hall, a legislative hall to discuss the laws, because most of the time was drained by the problems being faced from the different sectors of the society and different constituency. Therefore, this was being realized by the Nalvadi Krishnaraj Odiyar, and this house was formed in 1907. Then later on, for his, a lot of achievements are there, and one man has done thousands of achievements, and Mysore Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore, Scout, Mysore Boy Scout, State Bank of Mysore, Agriculture Institute, University of Mysore, the school. And one thing I want to tell you, the School of Engineering in Bangalore, and Mysore State Railways. During those days we had self-efficiency, Maharani Science College, likewise many number of institutions were served. But below him we have another man, Sir M. Visvesvaraya. When I talk about Sir M. Visvesvaraya, he was a Diwan, and he served during the Nalvadi Krishnaraj Odiyar, and he was an eminent and a brilliant, what we call a brilliant Diwan. And during his time, the KRS dam took place, and he was appointed to the Karnataka, and he served there. And he was the first, especially one of the first engineering colleges in India to establish the first engineering colleges in India. And that is the credibility of Sir M. Visvesvaraya. We have a legacy, we have many works, it's been recognized, many statues have been there, and his birthday has been celebrated as Engineers Day. That is one thing which we always say. And the next, to my left side, again we go to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. In view of 125th birthday, Ambedkar has been, his photo has been installed, and you know that his track record, he was a brilliant man, and he had a very good track record. He studied in University of Columbia, Bombay, and he was a great fighter against casteism and opposed untouchability. And not only that, he was the law minister, and he was a main person who made up the Constitution of India, who gave the Constitution of India. Apart from this, and he also, finally, his legacy is that he was trying to make India in a political sphere. The social political thought was introduced. His initiatives have influenced the various spheres in the life and transferred the way India took social economic policies. And this is about B.R. Ambedkar. When we go down again, Swami Vivekananda. When I talk about Swami Vivekananda, that was in the world. He showed what exactly the Hinduism is, dear brothers and sisters. And he had a great connection, and during those times, the Mysore kings helped him, sponsored him to go to Chicago, and there he addressed the meet, and once, somewhere he tells, I repeat, I am indebted to my mother for the effervescence of my knowledge. This is said by Vivekananda. And lastly, the spiritual apprenticeship gave a lot of boost to him. And he was founding father first Ramakrishna Matha at Bhamnagar. And he continued the same thing. He traveled entire India. He had a lot of rich of experience, and he participated in Parliament of World Religions. And there he gave a very big speech, especially. He propagated what the Hinduism was. And thereby, above all, he was so bent on the nationalism and the development of the country. And next, when we talk about the Pandit Nehru, he was supposed to be a father of modern India. And during his tenure as a Prime Minister, the longest tenure of the Prime Minister, a lot of development work took place. And lastly, we come to Netaji. And Netaji was an extremist, and he went across the countries. He started trying to see that he was an extremist. He started to see that how the India should be liberalized from the yoke of Britishers. And he tried to build up the Indian National Army outside, and he was popularly called as Netaji. Likewise, these portraits in this great hall is definitely inspiration to almost all the members. And this is being done under the gracious permission of the Honorable Chairman, Shri Basavaraj Horatti sir, and this is an initiation of Srimati Vasanta Kavita, the Secretary, KCR Foundation, and the inputs by Srimati Kavita S. editor, Rajya Dharma, Mysore, and myself presented. This is Gnan Shekhar, Parliamentary Guide. Namaste.